Neo 2 is going to revolutionize how people use lights, especially small lights. There's no light loss, there's no power loss. It fires every time. You have those moments that you cannot miss. This is an incredible light for you. Hey guys, my name is Jason Linner. I'm a Rotolight Master of Light and Sony Artisan of Imagery, and I'm so excited today to introduce to you the Neo 2. The Neo 2 is going to revolutionize how people use lights, especially small lights. We've been testing this today with A6500 at 10-11 frames a second. We're firing 200 shots in RAW. It fires every time. There's no light loss, there's no power loss. The fact that it does that is just a game changer. The Neo is a light that I could use for pretty much anything. A portraiture, macro work, really anything. And one thing that we always worry about as photographers is ways for us to get more creative with our lighting, and this enables me to be able to do that. You have those moments that you cannot miss. This is an incredible light for you.
design has allowed a limitless space of potential.
I began to let go of what people thought of me.
My story wouldn't be possible without music,
design,
my friends,
gaming,
humor, podcasting,
community,
passion.
My story wouldn't be possible without light.
Light.
I started feeling confident in creating.
When I felt like I had the right equipment.
When I listened to the final version of my song, it sounded how I envisioned it.
Becoming comfortable with the person that I already am.
I found my light through doing what I love.
After I stopped obsessing about other people's opinions.
I found my light through sharing my story.
Through perseverance.
Once I realized that everyone's just as clueless as me.
Through continuous learning and empowering others to do the same.
Believing in myself no matter what.